Hey, what's going on, guys? David here, and today we're playing... Wait. What am I doing in this game? It's been over 2 years, hasn't it? Mostly I've deleted most of those videos. Say I had a blogger. He's kind of turned around. So, one second. My mic sucks. Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? David here, and today I am here with blogger. Say hi. What's your actual name? I am. If you guys want to friend me on my account on Hypixel, friend me on it's GORDIMAMYT. It's my YouTube channel used to be that name, but I changed it a long time ago to all you guys know and love right now. David Gamer plays Roblox and more. So yeah. 1 second. I have to respawn.
Hey, you vanished. I don't know why. Why are you That's on the
Can you give me the command V/vanish, because I'll tell you where I'm going. So like if you give me, here's the thing, when I play Minecraft on servers and if people recognize me, and when I'm playing like Bed Wars on Hypixel, and if some of my subscribers notice me and they don't really like it, and they don't really like I'm in the server, they'll mess with me by just keep on going after me. That's why I have the /nick command and the /vanish command when I want to be vanished. Like if I'm in a lobby, I get thousands of messages saying F you, and all those people get muted, but still they have alts and they keep on doing it until they get IP banned from the server. So yes, I highly suggest do not to do that, because you'll mostly see me with a nickname like this. 1 second, do not do TP all. Wait, do it. I dare you. I dare you to TP all there. Can you give me the YouTuber rank? I'm not 50 plus subs, but I'm 45. Kill! Assassinate! How was I abusing? What the flip? TP me right now. Give me the OPS sword. Give me an OP sword right now. I'm gonna treat that person respect. Yeah, wait. Can I have OP? Yes. I want OP, please. Can you help me?
No, I don't even have all.
Wait, what? You don't have op? You only have perms from your rank?
Every single permission. But I don't have all.
Can you add /vanish to my rank, please? Or give me the YouTuber rank and add a couple new things. So when I record a video, I can ask you to put me in the YouTuber rank, and when I'm done, huh?
You need 6 more subscribers.
What? You don't know my channel, right? Do you look at my channel? David Gamer plays Roblox and more. Can you add the?
You need 6 more subs, okay?
Okay, I'll do what I've been trying to do for the past 2 months. Hey guys, welcome back to I got confused there. Guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you never miss a poll on my YouTube channel again. Please hit that like button. I beg you. Hit the like button so I can get more views. I'm not greedy at all. Please, I want that sweet, sweet cash. Because literally, I've earned 1 cent this month. Literally.
Narrator narrates
I
all.
subscribed to 30.
Narrator off.
Okay. After uploading this, like, it takes like 30 minutes to upload this. Believe it if not. Dude, can you, give me the V command, / V command or vanish? No?
Wait for it.
/ V. Can you give me the vanish command, please?
Making super a guy that should be.
And guys, keep in mind, I am a staff member, so if you join the server, it is, here we go, Oreo Wars. It's, I don't know the complete name because I think it's Oreo as the beginning. Oh,
It's
huh? It's Or Wars? Okay, orwars.minehut, there's no N in the hut, .gg, as if, GG, I won a battle, boys! What's up? Wait, I won a battle against him today. He won a lot, but...
I won a lot from him. Stop lying, bro.
I know. I'm gonna ask Derp something. Oh, dude, can you, like, destroy that frickin'... I have to literally rejoin the whole server. / join or wars. Dude, can you give me the mod rank to troll people? Like, for a second, I just say, hello, trolls all over. As a joke, like, most YouTubers, like, do something called rank troll. When you rank troll, it, like, let's just say when you rank, I love ranking trolling. Wait, dude. You. Bro.
What?
Can you give me the mod rank just for like a minute so I can do a troll? Like just say, hello, what's up? Well, that would actually be one of the freaking like worst nightmares. That the original dude that Cuzmin dude, 04 dude, he would be freaked out. Like, how in the world? I want to troll him.
Okay, I'm receiving.
Dude, there's one thing I've always thought. Can you give me back my fly command? ... Or give me the vanish command? Mostly fly back, please? Like, I was trolling with... Unmute! Bypass unmute. Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Dude, can you, like, I know this is a big idea, but I want to troll the server. I'm not going to agree if I just want to freaking just, like, push people off, and they can do nothing about it. like give myself infinite health and teleport them to like a PvP zone, and then you say fight. That'd be like one of the biggest trolls. I have FPS lag. Keep that in mind for my screen recorder. So I have 5 more minutes of recording. So this will be part 1 of this recording. It'll take me a while to upload. This takes me like 30 minutes to render and upload.
Hello, I see you right now.
Hey, what's up? Are you a girl or a man? Girl or a man?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, never seen you.
Can I be... Okay, so this is a big joke. This is a big thing to do, but I want to troll the server.
Server?
Yes.
Oh, you need to review the server?
No, I want to troll the server. Because, you know, the Kunz Min dude really hates me. I want to mute him for like 5 seconds and unmute him. And keep on going after him with a diamond sword, giving him like the worst sword in the game and taking his other stuff. And then give me the stuff back. Cause that'll be like one of the biggest trolls in the universe. Giving someone else a rank that they do not deserve.
You're gonna get depromoted for trolling because trolling didn't allow. Stuff can promote you.
Wait, dude, get King in the server. Dude, no, get Derp King into staff talk, please. And I want to speak to him. Seeing if there's any exceptions for a YouTuber with 44 subscribers. I'm gonna message him. Derp, please join. Derp, can I troll for YTV? Dude, slash help, dude. I know this is high chances, but can you give me vanish mode? I want to troll someone, cause that's one way to troll someone. Hit someone off the edge while I'm in vanish mode. Yay! But can I fly through walls? No, I can't. Wow, no. What's it? So, John, I'm gonna hit a random person as a joke. Someone's killing. What a nub. Let's see this dude right here. Look right here. At the diamond gen. I can't hit anyone. The worst vanish I've ever seen. The worst vanish I've ever seen. The worst. At least game mode won me so I can actually hit this thing. Slash V. Vanish me. Unvanish me, I mean. Do it. Where does it go? Give me the OP sword, dude. Give me an OP sword. Right now. Give me an OP sword. I want to do this one thing. Give me an OP sword. OP sword. Give it to me. Hand it over. Hand it over. Dude. Go to the diamond gen quick. Go to the diamond gen. Dude, so what? What? What happened?